Hi guys, this is Tanya Meadows with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy, and if you didn't know it, I run a home daycare as well as homeschool. I'm also going to be taking on a new challenge of homeschooling a family friend. So today I went out and went shopping for some organizational items to try to help us contain the clutter in my home, which is always an ongoing job. I've got more than what we need, but anyway, we're very blessed. So, we do live on a budget, and I wanted to show you. I went to Burlington Coat Factory, and I'd like to show you all the good things we found. So I found this set of baskets, and I'm hoping that we might be able to put some workbooks or some things here, and then maybe some index cards and, various office supplies in these baskets. It's a little set of 3 that match. I have light blue walls and I have white kitchen counter, so I'm hoping this will go with my country theme. I found this little white, it's really good sturdy terracotta pot, and it was only $4.99, $5. And so you could either put pens and markers or obviously your plant, but think outside your box. Flashcards that you can stack in there. Let's see if I've got some to show you. So you could easily put, things like this in that you'll be working for the day or the week or the month. So that's couple different items there. I found this jar. I absolutely love storing items in jars. It says, Mama's Baked Goods, breads, pastries, cakes, made fresh daily. And it was only $3.99. And again, I got these at Burlington Coat Factory. Okay, I found this. It's after Easter, so I'm sure that this was probably part of their Easter sale. This has a feel of a cutting board, but I'm just going to use it for decoration. As you can see, it was marked down to $5.99, and I absolutely love little bunny rabbits. And I as well, this will go with my country theme. So I found 2 of these Life SARS baskets that are square. I'm trying to avoid the shapes where the bottom is a little bit shorter than the top. I like the ones where we can get the bottom as closely as the same shape as the top. I think that this will look very nice on the shelf, and I have 2 of these, and I'm hoping to be able to put books in those. Stand them up. Now for the daycare, we have parents that like to bring juice boxes, and I provide juice boxes a lot of times. Also yogurts, and like they suggest here, these little fruit cups. I think will go nicely in these little bins, and it'll prevent the fruit cups and the yogurts and the juice cups from tipping over. So specifically for the daycare, I got this pack and play fitted sheet for $5, $4.99. I got this lightweight, beautiful and very soft blanket for the babies for $4.99, which was a steal. Not sure what she charged me for this. I think she charged me like $4.99, $5.99 for this one because it wasn't marked, but it came with this little unicorn that's attached as a blanket, and it has little hearts all over. And I just was in love with that. And then I found this for the babies, and it is $5.99. And all of these are lightweight, so I'm thinking they're thick but not too thick for me to even possibly continue to use them for the summer. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this basket around and show you what I got for just the babies. I took on a younger infant than, I think he's 8 months now. And I was usually only taking on toddlers. So I'm kind of working up my infant supplies at this time. I found this little mama duck with the baby chicks, And we listened to the mother duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck, the little babies ducks went swimming and didn't come back, and it's a countdown. And I thought this would be a really cute visual for that song, for that nursery rhyme. So I think they charged me about $4 or $5 for that. I got this little doodad here. I'm not sure. It was somewhere around $4 or $5 right here. Let's see. I got this little elephant. He's on a hot air balloon, and you pull it and he vibrates. That's for $4.99. So all these are a good discount than what you would find at a regular store. This was $3.99. It's a little unicorn, and he has a little ring to be able to attach him to the pack and play. So he's cute as can be. I found this Hug and Tug. You pull it and it plays music. I got that on sale for $5.99. So that was really cute. Alright. Here's a teething book I bought for $3.99. Got the nursery rhyme. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. Okay. And then we have my first 1, 2, 3 book for $2.99. And the baby I have loves, I have some smaller versions of these, but he loves these that makes the various sounds. So there you go. It's everything I got at Burlington Coat Factory today on sale for just about everything I got. And I saved myself a lot of money by bargain shopping. So I hope this gives you some inspiration for your daycare and for your homeschool. And I'll try to take pictures later on to show you how I exactly use some of these items. Have a great homeschooling and daycare week.